Wala pa ng puno. Cruz! Pati dito, mapaubos na ng boses ko rito. Worth it ito. Ay, ay, ay!
May tinawag si Rep.
Aba, may
Biling.
Ito, bahala na, maubos na ng boses ko rito. Worth it ito. Mas matindi ito. Magandang liga ito. O 26-24 is, okay, basket. Second deadlock of the game, dumidikit na ang Lake Danau. 26-all. Mga Lods, second deadlock of the game. Cruz, guarded by jersey number 1. Cruz, diretso to jersey number 3, Diaz from the downtown. Wala. Ito na.
Oy, di naabot.
Binigay ko. Hindi ka pumantay. Bahala na kayo.
So, mataas yung bigay kay Salem.
It's a last match violation by jersey number 19.
Harap! Harap! Asan?
Isquera from the down, the pass. Wala. Cruz. Again. Wala. Naman. Naman. Wala. Grabe.
Grabe yun, grabe. So, third quarter tayo guys ha. Third quarter. 26 all.
Init ng laban ngayon. Push foul, rep. Push foul. Jersey number 90, Abejero. Abejero, third personal foul. Tatlo na po. Tatlo na. Malayo na. Pico. Bunyon out. Sinong pumasok? Uragay in. Alright. Shout out watching from Kuwait. Sorry. O yan sa Kuwait. Sige, manood kayo. Sa Kuwait. O yan, sa Riyadh po tayo. You're watching us live here in Kuwait, in Riyadh. Okay? Two free throws from jersey number 21, Naval of the Bicol Express. Bicol Express Bicol Volcanoes. Final attempt. Basket by Naval. 27-26. Dire-diretso. Ito na. Abejero. Abejero. To jersey number 21. Amaran. Amaran. Abejero. Kanibay naman ang ganda ng pasa.
Sayang.
Grabe. Ang ganda ng... Alright. Isquera. Isquera to Cruz. Intercepted by Lanao to Cruz again. Back to Cruz. Make an attempt. Pass to Isquera. Ilabas ang bola. It's Isquera. Isquera. Isquera to Cruz from the downtown. Wala. Nabal. Nabal.
14 to shoot.
Ay, wow.
Pasok.
Ganda ng cut ni Boragay. Boragay.
29-26 ang score. Lamang pa rin ang
Alright,
Bicol.
okay. Okay, Beijing po dyan, ha? Beijing, driver of Nissan Pickup. Plate number ZAB 9197. Please proceed to the parking lot.
Ganda ng pasa ngayon.
Okay. Public service. Alright, time out by... Okay, coach. Paging the attention of the driver of Nissan White Pickup, Nissan Pickup, white, plate number ZAB 9197. Please proceed to the parking lot. O mga notes, ano? Driver po ng Nissan White Pickup, plate number ZAB 9197. Ha? Alright.
Back to the ball game.
Please come forward. Proceed to the parking lot, please, to the driver of White Pickup, Nissan, ZAB 9197. Okay, again, ang programa ito din sa inyo ng Enter Province Basketball League. Samahan ng mga basketballistang manlalaro sa Riyadh, si Buana Luwilier, sa si Buana Luwilier, tama-tama ang perang pinapadala. You're in new dance with Petro Bank, and of course, ayan, sa lahat po dyan na manonood sa ngayon. And to those who are able to watch us live, you're watching the official FB page, Inter Province Basketball League.
Paso Salem.
Abejero. Abihero. Wala. Intercept.
Pasok!
May Pado.
Ganda ba
Number
nun?
18. Nakakuha pa siya. Jersey number 18, Pado. And who's foul, rep? Who's foul? 0. Boracay? Boracay. There's a bonus free throw.
Grabe, ang daming
From
manunod.
jersey number 18, Pado. 31-28. Alright?
Pasok!
It's a complete score. 3-point play by Pado. 28, 31. 29-31 is a 2-point lead. Alright. Bungkukan to tabaan. Ayun. Okay. Alright. Ito na. Grabe ito, mga pre, mga lodi. Alright, Pado. Pado guarded by Boras. To Jalem, Abihero.
14 to shoot.
Dabal. Dabal, diretso to Iskera. Iskera, guarded by Abihero. To Bungkukan. Wala.
May tawag si Rep.
There's a foul. Who's foul ref? Jersey number. Alright, 0. Boracay. Substitution. Boracay out, Boras in. 29. 13 foul by Bicol.
3-point!
Sa Bunilan.
Nagulat sila.
Late lataw. Oh yeah.
Ang 3-point din! Wala stake! Sinagot agad.
Alright. Toyota Rush, now call the driver. Please proceed to the parking lot. Toyota Rush, plate number 21.
36-32. Lamang pa rin ang Bicol.
Please proceed to the parking
Ng apat.
lot. 2912. Toyota Rush. Alright, sige. Abihero. Tupado. Tukundoma. Wala. By Cruz. By Cruz. Alright. Diaz. 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 He's looking for a pass. Diaz to Treasure.
Pasok! 3 points! Score
3
natin,
points by Bungkukan.
39-32. In the third quarter, 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
32. Umalamang ang kaunti.
14 to shoot.
Abihero guarded by naman. Abihero. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul? Number 21, Tabal. Shout out kay DJ. Score po. 39-32, 7-point lead. Sinong nanalo? Mamaya na dahil. Kanina ka man tanong ng tanong nanalo Third quarter pa lang. 39-32. Wala pa.
Ganda ng tirang yun.
Kung nagmamadali, may sinday man na. Hulat-hulat na pala. Kwarta na yaman na. Diaz. Diaz, diretso. Kundapan, umatake. Wala. Idres. Idres kanina.
Idres, nagdudumali.
Idres.
Sayang.
Ang tindi na mata ng referee. Ang bilis. Matindi. It's Bicos ball. Iskera. Iskera, guarded by jersey number 1. Bungkukan again. Wala. Rebound by Edris. Dire-diretso. Pinaba ni Sangkulingan ang bola. Sangkulingan to Abihero. Abihero. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's
Foul
foul?
na tinawag si Rep.
Jersey number 6, Bungkukan. Second personal foul by Bungkukan. Lanao is on the penalty situation. Alright? 39-35. Alright, 2 free throws for jersey number 19
Guys,
from Lake Lanao, Abejero.
Napakarami malunod guys.
Score 39-35.
Yun.
It's a 4-point
Sa lahat po
lead
yan.
by the
Maraming
Volcanoes.
salamat sa inyo.
Grabe. Ibang
inyong
klase
panonood.
talaga ito ang IPBL. Ha? Dito
Pasok.
mo lang yan, matutuwa yan. Alright? First attempt by jersey number 19, Abejero, from the 15-foot line. Basket. Second attempt. Basket
Pasok pa rin.
again. 36-39. It's a 3-point lead. Dalawa na lang, 39-37. On our third quarter is a 2-point lead. Iskera, dire-diretso. Block, not on my watch. Ano ka, arang-ada ka? Not on my face, sabi ni number 19, Abejero. Grabe. Diaz to Bungkukan. Bungkukan to Diaz. Okay. Umuulan dito, grabe. Umuulan ng kape sa komite. Diaz. Diaz to Bungkukan. Bungkukan diretso. Bungkukan. Bungkukan to Nabal. Wala na rin. Bungkukan. Eto na. Diaz. It's a 2-point for Diaz. Okay na ko kayo.
Okay, second to shoot.
Thank you, Kuya. Alright, Diaz! Diaz, diretso! Atake! It's an easy basket by
Galing
Bungkukan.
ng pasok.
41-37 is a 4-point lead by Volcanoes. Abejero, intercepted by Snea. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul, Rep? Is number 19, Abejero. Apat, fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty by Abejero. Substitution. Abejero out. Sangkulilan in. Sino pa? Sino na sa ko? Pausi in. Sino tong out niya? Sino pinalitan niya? Sino pinalitan ni Pausi? Abejero, okay. 43-37. Diaz guarded by Edris. Diaz, direkto, supalpal, atake, intercepted, diretso by Edris.
Nice shot by Edris. 43-39 ang score.
43-39, apat. Iskera,
Lamang pa rin ang Bicol. Diaz.
Diaz to Nabal. Diaz to the downtown.
Pasok. Diaz. 3-point.
Ito na. Grabing statistics ng Volcanoes. Pang-pitong pukol na sa tres ng Mayon. Sigurado, no? Any moment from now, sasabog na naman ito. Ito na. Bubuhusan ng malamig na tubig ng Lake Lanao. Titingnan natin. Diyos na. Malupit, 46-39, mga Lods. Bungkukan to Boras, wala. Edris, diretso, guarded by Boras, intercepted by Bungkukan to Edris, Bungkukan. It's an easy basket by Iskera.
Nice shot by Iskera.
Wow. Okay. Eto na.
Umawi.
Wala. To Pausi. Dire-diretso. Wala pa rin. Nabal. Iskera. Tingnan natin. Atake. Iskera. Ay, hindi.
Ganda yun.
Iskera.
Walas
It's a point and shoot.
Napagandang tira ni Iskera.
Iskera. Sangkulian. 5 seconds. Easy basket by Pausi. Eto, bumabawi. Bungkukan!
Hindi umabot. Bilis.
Alright.
Score natin. 50-41.
Is a 9-point lead by Bicol Volcano.